Hello folks. If you hear a strange sound in the background, that's rain. I really wanted to cover this before these get really big, but this is the yard-long bean. They're supposed to do really well here in Florida. I mean, those beans are looking pretty good right now. So I'd say that this is fairly successful. This is a trellis system that I've created. I'm not going to go through the details in this video, but you can catch other videos of mine where I do take you through the details on how to erect an inexpensive trellising system like this. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars. You can just simply spend like maybe 30 bucks total at the most and get exactly what you need, as long as you're using the trees in your property to your advantage. Anyhow, yard-long bean. This is the first attempt grow, and they are growing well. Nothing's attacking them so far, and I'm pretty happy so far. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I'll be providing updates on this as well. Have a good day.